Yeah, family. So as you guys know, Jam Tours is the online king. I never get a chance to actually work a business offline on the ground. So now, family, the past weeks, I've been actually on Google and the internet trying to get the restaurant up and running, family. So let's see where Google places Jam Tours after putting in the work. So I pull up a new browser, family. Let me show you, it's a new browser. It's not on the same thing as the restaurant. So sweetie, let's come. Let's see which part Google put me now after putting the word Jamaican Restaurant in Nairobi. See there? Jamaican Restaurant in Nairobi. Boom! Let's see. Oh, see, we come up on number 4th. Number 4th, me there, family. Number 4th. 4th place. So, you know what I mean? We have to take it over soon. You know what I mean? We have Jamaican up there, so our partner company same way, you know what I mean? And we have some others. But you don't know the thing, or Jam Tours things different. And trust me, family, you know what I mean? We close today on my day off. I will still put in the work. But as you can see, you know what I mean? The big bad, the vegan Jamaican restaurant at number 4th place. And you know what I mean? And we have 4.9 review. And our review are real review. People who taste the food and love the food. So you don't know the thing, go. We are work on it. And Google will put you at number 1. You know what I mean? Just a matter of time. It's what we are say. So let's go.